Scheduling multiple crews efficiently can be a challenge, but several methods, both digital and physical, can help streamline the process. Firstly, let's consider digital scheduling tools. Dedicated scheduling software is designed specifically for field service management. These platforms often include features like crew scheduling, job dispatch, real-time tracking, and automated notifications. Examples of such software include Service Titan, JobRat, and Housecall Pro. These tools can significantly improve organization and communication. Secondly, project management tools can also be used for scheduling. Tools like Asana, Trello, and Monday allow you to create projects, assign tasks, and track progress. These platforms provide visual timelines that can help you schedule crews effectively, offering a different perspective on task management. Google Workspace offers another approach. Google Calendar and Google Sheets can be customized for scheduling purposes. You can create multiple calendars for different crews, color-code appointments, and use conditional formatting in Google Sheets to highlight conflicts or availability. This method provides a flexible and accessible scheduling solution. Alternatively, physical scheduling methods offer a more hands-on approach. A large magnetic whiteboard can be used to create a visual schedule. Magnets can represent crews and appointments, allowing for easy adjustments and rescheduling. This is particularly useful for quick, on-the-spot changes. A physical scheduling book with a grid format can also be dedicated to scheduling. Appointments and crew availability can be written in using different pens or markers for different crews. This method offers a tangible record and can be easily consulted in the field. A color-coded paper calendar provides another option. A large paper calendar can be used with multiple colors to represent different crews. Appointments are marked in the corresponding colors to create a quick and visual overview. This method is simple and intuitive. Hybrid methods combine the benefits of both digital and physical tools. You can use scheduling software for overall management and crew assignments, but supplement it with a whiteboard for daily coordination and adjustments. This approach allows for both long-term planning and immediate flexibility. Another hybrid approach involves scanning your physical schedule into Google Calendar for a digital backup and access from anywhere. The calendar can then be used for conflicts and availability checks. This ensures that your schedule is both accessible and secure. Several other considerations are important for effective scheduling. Crew availability must be factored in, including their preferences, skill sets, and availability. Understanding these factors ensures that crews are assigned to jobs that suit their capabilities and needs. The complexity of each job should also be considered. The time and resources required for each job must be factored in when assigning crews. This prevents overloading crews and ensures that jobs are completed efficiently. Clear communication is essential. The schedule should be clearly communicated to all crew members to avoid misunderstandings. This can be achieved through regular meetings, email updates, or mobile notifications. Finally, flexibility is key. Be prepared to adjust the schedule based on unexpected events or changes in workload. This ensures that the schedule remains relevant and effective, even in the face of unforeseen circumstances. Therefore, choosing the right scheduling method depends on the specific needs and resources available. Whether you opt for digital tools, physical methods, or a hybrid approach, the key is to prioritize organization, communication, and flexibility. By carefully considering these factors, you can create a scheduling system that maximizes efficiency and minimizes disruptions.